A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It is class 11th entrepreneurship. Dear students, in last lecture we knew some of the things which were related to the entrepreneurship development programs. Now let us start the a new chapter, that is chapter 11th of your text. In this chapter, let us know what are small scale industries, meaning, definition, and the things related to the small scale sector. Dear students, you know that when we have two sectors, that is small scale sector and the large scale sector or the enterprises, both of them are treated to be the two legs of industrial process. In every country, this process is on in every country in the lengths and breadths of this world. When we talk of India, India is basically a country of small scale sector. I already told you that in 1950 our industrial progress started, and it started with a small scale sector. Basically, there were not big industries in India as it was under the control of the Britishers. So when India got freedom in 1947, up to 1950, there was no industrial sector in the country of its own. But in 1950, it was felt that unless and until we start our own industrial process, industrial network, we cannot dream the economic development in India. So the pace, it was started from small scale sector. Small scale sector was treated to be the plinth level for our industrial pace, for our economic development. Certain plans were formulated, and certain ideologies were started just to start our small scale industries, small scale enterprises. Basically, India had some small scale industries in shape of these handicrafts, which usually were activated within the boundaries of these our homes. It already emerged in India, but they were not on government level. It was only a domestic sector. It was not started, activated, financed on government level. So we can say that small scale industry or small scale sector, it has not a long history in India. So we have not greater expectations from this sector as we see in other countries, in Japan or China. They have strong base for this small scale sector, and nowadays we see that these countries, in these countries, these technological, these apparatus, they are being manufactured in their homes, while as we manufacture these things in large scale, these industries. So we cannot compete them so far as the small scale sector it is concerned. India has this small scale sector in India. Most of the people in India, they are employed in this small scale sector. we see that India, it is a country of villages. Mm, most of its population, it lives in rural areas, and rural areas are basically dependent on small scale sector, because small scale industries, they are they depend on laborers, and the laborers are usually found in rural areas. So this small scale sector in India, it has to be started, or we can dream about this small scale sector only with a small number of people. It is said, so far as the history of small scale sector in India it is concerned, Fiscal Commission 1950, it was for the first time formulated. It defines small scale sector, the sector or an industry which is operated mainly with hired labor, usually 10 to 50 hands. It means at least an industry which is activated, which is operated by at least 10 to 50 people, दिस इज नोन एज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री। यानी एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री, एक ऐसा ये जो है यूनिट जिसको 10 से लेकर 50 आदमी तक चलाते हैं, चाहे वो एज लेबरर्स हों, एज मैनेजर्स हों, एज असिस्टेंट्स हों, 10 से 50 आदमियों तक जिस भी इंडस्ट्री को चलाते हैं, इसे हम स्मॉल स्केल यूनिट में इंक्लूड करते हैं। हालांकि इसके लिए मुख्तलिफ डेफिनेशंस दी जाती हैं, लेकिन ये फिजिकल कमीशन ऑफ 1950, दिस डेफिनेशन इज गिवन इन दैट सेक्टर। या कहा जाता है कि जब इंडस्ट्रियल ये जो है पेस इंडिया में शुरू हुई 1950 में, बाद में डिफरेंट बोर्ड, इंडस्ट्रियल बोर्ड्स बनाए गए 1954, 1955, और फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ जो बोर्ड है वो है 1955 में बनाया गया। तो उसमें ये कहा जाए कि वो इंडस्ट्री जिसे 50 एम्प्लॉय से बिलो जिसमें काम करते होंगे, तो वो जो है उसको हम स्मॉल सेक्टर में स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री ट्रीट करते हैं। या बाद में 1954, 1955 और एट लास्ट हम कह सकते हैं कि ये जो डेफिनेशन है 1955 की डेफिनेशन के मुताबिक, वो इंडस्ट्री जिसमें 100 एम्प्लॉयज से कम काम करते होंगे, एन इंडस्ट्री वायर द मैन पावर इज बिलो 100 एम्प्लॉयज, एंड द इंडस्ट्री that works with a capital asset not exceeding 5 lakhs, यानी वो इंडस्ट्री जिसमें 5 लाख से कम का कैपिटल एसेट इस्तेमाल हुआ हो, और वो इंडस्ट्री जिसमें 100 एम्प्लॉय से कम लोग काम करते होंगे, उससे हम स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री कह सकते हैं, स्मॉल स्केल यूनिट कह सकते हैं। यानी नाउ इट इज क्लियर दैट ऑल दोज इंडस्ट्रीज whose capital asset is below 5 lakhs and whose manpower is below 100 employees, we can say that it is a small scale industry or small scale sector. Now, this definition got changed in 1997 after so many amendments. It was said that an industry within 50 लाख लिमिट, यानी 50 लाख, जिस इंडस्ट्री तक 50 लाख का ये जो कैपिटल एसेट जिसमें इस्तेमाल हुए होंगे 50 लाख तक, और वो इंडस्ट्री जिसमें 50 लाख तक जिसमें इस्तेमाल होते होंगे उसे स्मॉल सेक्टर ये में इंक्लूड किया जाएगा। इट वाज दिस डेफिनेशन वाज गिवन इन 1997 और बाद में 2000 में इसको ये डिक्लेयर किया गया कि ऑल दोज इंडस्ट्रीज हुज कैपिटल एसेट और बिलो 3 crores they will be included in small scale sector। और उसके बाद वो इंडस्ट्री जिसमें 50% इसमें ये जो मैन पावर जो है 50% जिसमें लोग काम करते होंगे 50% तक, तो उसको स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर में या स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज में इंक्लूड किया जाएगा। सो दीज आर some of the definitions. The latest definition it was given in 2000 so far as the small scale industries are concerned, the industries in which manpower is up to 50%, यानी 50% से ज़्यादा इसमें ये जो हैं मशीन्स इस्तेमाल होती होंगी, तो ऐसी इंडस्ट्री को जिसमें 50% तक मैन पावर इस्तेमाल हुआ होगा और जिसमें 3 करोड़ तक कैपिटल एसेट जो हैं इस्तेमाल होते होंगे, तो हम उसे स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री कह सकते हैं। सो दिस इज एनफ। आई थिंक दैट व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दिस स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया, what are different definitions, what is the meaning of this small scale industry, and the growth of small scale industry in India. So I think this is enough for the day. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss different these essential features, characteristics of these small scale industries. Thanks.